Sipping lemon water throughout the day might seem like a healthy habit, but it can damage your teeth over time. This is because lemon juice is very acidic and it wears down your teeth's enamel covering. To keep your teeth healthy and strong, make a few simple changes to your morning beverage and give your teeth a little time before you brush them. You can still enjoy your lemon water while protecting your teeth. Preparing the water. Use cold or lukewarm water instead of hot water for your lemon drink. Hot or boiling water softens your teeth's enamel more, which means the acid from the lemon juice can cause more damage. To prevent damage, make your lemon water with cold or lukewarm water. Dilute the juice of half a lemon in 4 1/4 cups, 1.0 liters, of water. You don't need to add so much lemon juice that your mouth puckers when you drink the water. Squeeze half of a lemon and pour the juice into a pitcher. Then, pour in 4 1/4 cups, 1.0 liters, of water and stir the beverage. Avoid adding sugar to lemon water. Remember that you're not making lemonade, so the lemon water shouldn't be sweet. The combination of sugar and acid can damage your teeth and cause cavities. Switch to other natural flavors to take a break from lemon. Instead of adding acidic citrus to your water every day, try flavoring it with sliced cucumber, a sprig of fresh mint, or fresh rosemary. These are gentler on your teeth and they add bright, herbal flavors to the water. Protecting your teeth. Drink the lemon water through a straw. One of the easiest ways to protect your enamel from damage is to sip the lemon water through a straw instead of drinking it out of a glass. The straw directs the acidic beverage towards the back of your mouth so it doesn't coat your teeth. Snack on calcium-rich foods to neutralize acid in your mouth. Eating foods rich in calcium can restore minerals to your teeth, so eat dairy or foods high in calcium. For example, munch on broccoli florets. Rinse your mouth with water immediately after drinking. After you're done with the lemon water, swish plain water in your mouth for about 10 seconds and spit it out. Rinsing out the lemon with plain water helps you salivate. Your saliva has minerals that strengthen and protect your teeth. Wait 60 minutes after drinking lemon water to brush your teeth. You might think that you should immediately brush your teeth, but this can damage your teeth even more. The acidic lemon juice softens your enamel so it's more sensitive and prone to damage from scrubbing. Brush your teeth with a soft toothbrush and fluoridated toothpaste. Once you've waited at least 1 hour, squeeze toothpaste on a soft or ultra-soft bristle toothbrush and gently scrub your teeth. Work in a circular motion so you're not being too rough on your teeth's enamel.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,